Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 90 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's keep tapping on the build number, and as you can see right now we are in the developer mode, so we can go back to the general settings and tap on the system and updates, and the developer options will appear right here. So let's tap on it. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can show layout bounds, surface updates. Here we've got some options connected with the networking overall, etc. So quite a lot of options. And if you want to turn on the option, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher. So let me show it on maybe this one. Can we see anything? No, not really. Let me find another option. Maybe this one. As you can see, it will be immediately applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. And if you've got any other options without the switcher, just tap on it to open more options. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off just by going back to the top of the list and tapping on the switcher. As you can see, we will be automatically thrown to the system and update settings, and the developer options will disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.